Creating a lead magnet. Hey there, folks. It is a well-known fact that people will not hurry to give you something in exchange for nothing. And this applies to email marketing. What? Do you think that people will simply join your mailing lists because you're awesome? Well, the harsh truth is that only a small fraction will, and that you need to convince the rest to do it. And how do you convince people to give away their email addresses? The answer is with lead magnets. Lead magnets are incentives that you use in exchange for people's email addresses. That means that people will have access to these incentives when they sign up through your opt-in forms. The most common lead magnets are the following: guides and reports. Guides and reports are a favorite among email marketers because they're the easiest to set up. With just the right amount of information, you'll be able to set up a brief ebook with condensed original content and to offer it as a free ebook to new subscribers. Cheat sheets. Cheat sheets are one-page blueprints that are mostly designed as infographics in formats that are easy to print. Free template packs. Free template packs make awesome lead magnets because they can be used for professional purposes and they can fit any niche. For example, if you run a blog about social media ads, you can create and offer Facebook ad templates. If running a graphic design blog, you can create and give away free web design templates and mockups, and so on. Video guides. Video guides generate much more engagement than any other type of lead magnet, but they're also the most difficult to set up. Yet, if you have the means and the skills to produce brief video guides or presentations, we recommend you to totally go for it, as they are perceived to offer greater value because they're less time-consuming and allow you to be more direct with your message. Discounts and trial periods. Promoting a 20% discount for new email subscribers is one of the most effective ways of achieving two marketing objectives in one shot: getting a new email subscriber and generating a new sale. Best of all, a one-time consumer is very likely to become a repeat customer down the line. So this strategy works threefold and is mostly recommended for e-commerce marketers. Trial periods are based on a similar tactic. If you allow a user to benefit as much as he or she can from using a program or tool, or from accessing your content, or from attending paid webinar sessions, but only for a limited time, they're very likely to convert once their trial periods are over. Software downloads. Offering free access to light versions of useful software, games, and apps through your opt-in pages is a great way to generate new subscribers too. Setting up a lead magnet the easy way. Now that you know what a lead magnet is and which are the most effective ones, we want to show you how you can actually set one up easily using the basic tools in your computer. You'll simply need to create or outsource the creation of a piece of relevant content in the form of a numbered article. You'll need your company logos and a word processing program that can import your files as a PDF, such as Microsoft Word, which is the one that we will use for this example. Open a new document and start by entering the title of your guide. We recommend you to follow the same guidelines that you'll apply in your marketing email headlines. In our case, we're going to title our guide as the 5 Secret Healthy Lifestyle Choices for the Diabetic, to add an intriguing punch to it. We'll leave your choice of font and size to your discretion, but we recommend you to use large, bold fonts that contrast with the background. Now, right below the title, we're going to include our company logo, which, as you can see, fits beautifully. Right below the logo, we're going to insert the name of our business in italics and a smaller size. On the following page, we're going to insert a table of contents, which will be easy because this is a 5-piece numbered article. Now, on the following page, we're going to insert a brief introduction. Then we will jump to the next page to insert our article in its entirety. Finally, on the last page, we're going to insert an invitation to keep reading on our site, with a link to redirect the subscriber there. Lastly, we're going to click on the File tab, and then on the Save As option. Now we will browse the location where to save our finished lead magnet on our computer, and then we will click on the Save As Type drop-down menu to select the PDF option, and then we will click on Save. Awesome! Our new lead magnet has been saved and exported as a PDF, and we are ready to start distributing it to new subscribers. Follow these simple steps, and you will be able to create several variations of your lead magnet for different campaigns. Next up, we will be showing you how to set up a campaign from scratch. So tune in. Setting up your first email marketing campaign. Hey there, my friends. Let's continue working on our reward-deserving email marketing strategies. This time around, we're going to show you how to actually set up an email marketing campaign for the first time easily the right way. Please note for this video, we're going to use our MailChimp account. And although the actual steps may differ a little from one email marketing platform to the other, the basic process keeps on being the same. So you'll simply have to take notes in case you're using a different email marketing tool. Alright, so we will start on our MailChimp account, from where we are going to click on the Create Campaign button. Now MailChimp will allow you to set up 3 types of email marketing campaigns from the get-go. First, you'll be able to select the Create an Email option to create a simple email marketing campaign. The second option available is to create an ad, which will allow you to reach specific types of contacts with Facebook and Instagram ads, as well as with Google remarketing campaigns. Lastly, you'll be able to select the option to create a landing page, which will allow you to design a landing page to collect email addresses in exchange for a valuable piece of content or product. In this video, we are going to show you how to create a basic email marketing campaign from scratch. So we are going to select the Create an Email option. Now, as you can see, there are several types of email marketing campaigns that you can set up. You can start with a regular email campaign that you can edit according to your preferences. You can set up automated campaigns, which are based on subscriber behavior. You can set up plain text campaigns to fire off quick communications. And lastly, you'll be able to set up A/B test campaigns that will allow you to test up to 3 variations of the same email under the same campaign. In our example case, we're simply going to select the regular campaign type. We start setting up our new campaign by naming it in the campaign name field, and then we click on the Begin button to continue. Now we have to select who we are going to send this campaign to. So we click on the Add Recipients button, and then select the subscriber list from the Choose a List drop-down menu. Because this is a general content email that we want to send to all of our subscribers regardless of activity level, we're going to select the full subscribers list, and we're not going to segment it. Before we save our choice, we're going to check the Personalize option, and then we are going to select the first name or FName option from the Merge Tag menu. This will allow us to send personalized emails to each of our subscribers. Now we click on Save to continue. Now we have to click on Add From to make sure that our sender's information is up to date. We recommend you to always use your name, your company name, or a combination of both in the name field. Now that we've made sure that our sender's info is correct, we will simply click on Save to continue. Now we are going to click on Add Subject to enter our campaign subject line. Because we're going to send a content-focused campaign, we're going to use the "Did you miss any of this?" question as our subject line. Also, we're going to add personalization to our subject line. We can do this by inserting the FName tag at the beginning of the subject line preceded by the "Hey" expression. It will read as, "Hey, first name, did you miss any of this?" We are now going to click on Save to continue. Now we have to design the content for our email by clicking on the Design Email button. Now, as you can see, we have the option to select from a wide variety of email layouts, templates, and previous campaigns to get started. For this example case, though, we're simply going to select the marketing email template that we designed in a previous video for this exact purpose, and we can find it by clicking on the Saved Templates tab. Now we will simply have to click on it to select it, and on the following page, we will then click on Save and Close to continue. Awesome! This campaign setup is now finished. And now we simply have to either schedule it or send it right away. For this example case, we will send it right away. So we will simply have to click on the Send button and then on the Send Now button. And that is it. Our subscribers will start receiving this campaign soon. Next up, we're going to show you how to create a high-converting squeeze page to collect new email addresses the easy way. So tune in.